Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve Chapter 2 exercise problem number 2.14. While solving this problem, we will be using Kirchoff's current law. According to this law, a cumulative current on any node inside an electrical network is always equal to 0. Sum of all entering currents on a node is always equal to sum of all leaving currents from that node. Move towards the problem. Exercise problem number 2.14. Find the value of current Ix in given below figure. This is the circuit diagram of given problem. We have to calculate the value of Ix inside this circuit. So without wasting time, let's proceed towards the solution. In this circuit, the only information that is provided is in the form of currents, and it is asked to calculate the value of current as well. So we will use Kirchoff's current law to calculate the value of current Ix inside this circuit because Kirchoff's current law is purely based on currents. In this circuit we only have two nodes. One is reference or ground node and other node is our point of concern node. Entering and leaving currents on this node will be taken with the reference of this ground node. So we will apply Kirchoff's current law on this node. Write the Kirchoff's current law equation for this node. Currents 2Ix and 12 mA are entering to this node, while rest of all currents 4 mA, Ix and 3Ix are leaving from this node. Inside this equation we only have one variable, that is Ix. We will solve this equation to calculate the value of Ix. First add 3Ix and Ix together. It will become 4Ix. Now open the brackets. Minus will multiply with both values and both will become minus. Minus 4 mA and minus 4Ix. Now subtract 4 from 12 mA. It will become 8 mA. 2Ix plus 8 mA minus 4Ix is equal to 0. Add 2Ix and minus 4Ix, it will become minus 2Ix. Now place this minus 2Ix on the other hand side of equal to make it positive. The equation will become 8 mA is equal to 2Ix. Divide on both sides with 2 to calculate the value of Ix, that is 4 mA. So the value of Ix in this circuit is 4 mA. This was exercise problem number 2.14. Thank you. See you again in next video.